So now we're going to mount an engine and linkage guard on our GASGAS EC 350F. The guard is getting delivered with the necessary mounting equipment. Now we start to put the bolts on. Now we're going to remove the OEM bolts. We take the bike from the stand. We use these two bolts to put the engine guard on the bike. Now, there is always the problem that it's not easy to get that on. And for this, we have a little trick. We take the guard, bend it, and it's on. It's not a problem for the plastic, it's made for action like that. Last but not least, we're going to mount the last bracket.